What's up, everybody? This is Chris with Digital REM, also known as Dream Bigger on my handle. But we're gonna just go ahead and hop right into this Blender course where we're gonna show you how to apply materials to your object. For one, we have it. We don't have the node selected because you can tell when the node is selected. You have this surface. If you left click on it, you have all of these different options of different shaders. One of the main shaders that you would use will more than likely be Principled BSDF, and that's going to give you all your specular, base colors, displacements, things like that. You have your base color, which you can see when you change your base color, it just changes the color of your object. Boom. The main thing you would change is like specular. The more specular an object is, the more of mirror-like qualities it might have.